Come here, talk to the camera.
Nathan, go up there and talk to the camera. Nathan, what you doing?
I don't even know.
Nathan, come here. Show me your snow.
No!
It tastes good.
Yes, tastes good.
Yum.
No?
Uh-huh. Graham, come here.
Graham, Mommy's talking to you.
Cheese.
I'm taking video. Making a movie. Nathan, what are you doing? What did Nathan just say?
I have no idea.
TT. TT, I'm gonna get you. Did you make friends with the doggies? Oh, you found a stick. You found a stick.
It's frozen to her face.
Come on, TT. TT. Wrong way. Come on, TT. You found another stick. Did you find another stick?
She kept breaking it off.
Look, there's sticks over there. Oh, she's eating snow.
Yeah.
Oh. TT, get some snow. Get some snow. TT. TT. I'll go get you. You gonna get me?
You all done?
Yes, it's all done.
Okay, he's all done.